contrast between the two tunes, and how easily one seems to just flow out of the pipes, and how difficult the other one seems.
I was saying last night that the first tune, Raphael, you want to say a bit about the first tune?
Yeah, the first one is normally played on another kind of bagpipe. It's played on the Swedish bagpipe, because almost every European country has his own kind of bagpipe, and in Sweden they have a little one without bellows. They just blow in the back. It's a very small one, and it has another scale than the Irland pipe, so it's not evident to play these kind of melodies on the pipes.
What I was saying last night was that, you know, the Irland pipes are cantankerous instruments in certain respects. Like they're very delicate towards heat and kind of humidity, so they can be a bit painful towards the piper, you know. So I think it was like it's like a dose of payback time. And as I was saying last night, it was like the pipes are saying back to me, "What are you doing to me right now?" Because it's an alien kind of tune to play on the Irland pipes, and if you kind of notice that they're kind of struggling, you really have to kind of bend notes to achieve the sound of that tune. So I found it very interesting to actually put a Polska, which it is, onto the Irland pipes, and then to put it in comparison to